Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you are all well. I welcome you all, Naveed Automotive Specialist. In today's videos, I will show you a rear side clicking noise from rear differential. Before starting the video, friends who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Let's go on start the video. This is the Dodge Charger drive and reverse clicking noise. See the noise. As per procedure, first check the tire size, 225, 60 or 18. Tire size is correct. On further diagnose, we found rear differential assembly internal defective and rear propeller shaft joint leaking. Need to be replaced rear propeller shaft and rear differential assembly RDU, rear drive unit. Remove the RDU, rear drive unit. This is the rear joint leaking from propeller shaft. This is the new RDU, rear drive unit. See the part number need correct and serial number also. This is the new propeller shaft. Fix the rear RDU, rear differential unit, rear mount bolt as per specific torque, tight, rear both half shaft install, fix the propeller shaft, retorque the bolt as per repair manual. Then install the exhaust. This was my short video today. If you like this video, like, comment, share the video. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.